Unraveling Hush Up, understanding its usage in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might sound simple but is actually packed with meaning and nuance. We're talking about hush up. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases can add richness to your English communication skills. So, let's get started. Hush up is a phrase used to request silence or discretion from someone. It is a combination of the word hush, which means to be quiet or to stop talking, and up, which is often used in phrasal verbs to add emphasis. The phrase can be used in different contexts, and its interpretation may vary based on tone and situation. In formal and friendly use, in a casual setting among friends or family, hush up might be used in a light-hearted or playful manner. For example, if someone is playfully teasing a friend, they might say, "Oh, hush up." It's a way of saying, "Stop joking," or "Stop teasing me," in a friendly tone. Parental or authoritative use. Parents or teachers might use hush up to quiet a room or get children's attention. In this context, it's more authoritative and is equivalent to saying, "Be quiet now," or "Enough talking." The tone here is more serious and commands respect and immediate silence. Expressing annoyance or frustration. Sometimes, hush up can be used to express annoyance or frustration. If someone is going on about something that is either uninteresting or bothersome to the listener, a sharp hush up indicates, "Stop talking about that, it's annoying." In the context of secrets or sensitive information, if someone says, "Hush up," about a particular topic, it might mean, "Don't talk about this, it's confidential," or "This should be kept secret." It's a request for discretion. There are similar phrases or variations that carry a similar meaning to hush up. Phrases like quiet down, zip it, or keep it down are often used interchangeably. However, it's important to understand the tone and context as these phrases can have slightly different connotations. Understanding phrases like hush up is crucial in grasping the subtleties of the English language. Remember, context and tone play a significant role in determining the meaning. We hope this video has shed light on how to use and understand this phrase correctly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful English learning content. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.